Hello friends, welcome to part 39 of Laravel 13 series in which we are creating the AI powered e-commerce website. So for the first time, we are going to start working on the AI powered e-commerce features. Okay, so this series name itself AI powered e-commerce, but we have not started any AI powered e-commerce features so far as we are working on building the e-commerce website so far. Okay, so you can see that now we able to build something. We able to build the admin panel, we able to build the home page, listing page, detail page, and we can able to add the products to the cart. So now we can able to add the AI features. Some of my friends are asking that why we are not done those AI features earlier, because we are not ready for it. Okay, because we want something where we can integrate the AI feature. Still, this product search is pending where we can add the AI feature. Okay, still some of the things are pending, some of the functionalities are pending, but at least we can start working on the AI powered features. Okay, so I'm going to explain you in this part that which AI features we are going to integrate at front end and at the admin panel, and what we require and how we are going to do these AI features. Okay, so this is very important because now all the videos, 5, 10, 15, 20 videos are related with the AI powered e-commerce features. So we must know that what kind of features we are going to integrate and how we are going to integrate those. Okay, so let's start. So in this part, we are officially starting the AI powered e-commerce section for our Laravel 13 multi-vendor e-commerce series. We will explore all the exciting AI features that we are going to build throughout the upcoming parts, understand how each feature can improve on online shopping website, and discuss how artificial intelligence is transforming modern e-commerce applications. By the end of this part, you will have complete roadmap of the AI journey before we start integrating OpenAI APIs in the next part. Okay, so these are the features that we are going to integrate. I'm going to explain you one by one so that you will have the full clarity of it. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to integrate the OpenAI. So this is the kind of API key that we are going to generate with this Open AI. So that API key is useful for every AI feature. Okay, so that's why we are going to create the account in Open AI. In fact, in the next part, we are going to do that. Here you can see the Open AI. Okay, so this is the website from where we are going to register, and we will get the API key. Some amount we need to pay to get the API key, because API key is not free, and that API key will help us to integrate the AI features into our e-commerce website. Okay, so that we require. Okay, so we are going to register in this website. We are going to learn how we are going to register and how we will get the API key and how we are going to integrate that API key in our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, so everything we are going to do this in the next part. Okay, so in this OpenAI integration, first we will integrate OpenAI APIs into our Laravel application, so our website can communicate with AI models. This integration will be the foundation for all upcoming AI-powered features. Okay, so example, connect Laravel with OpenAI using an API key and generate AI responses. Okay, so like I have explained, that this is the foundation of all other AI features. So we are required to get the API key from the OpenAI so that we can integrate the other AI features with the help of this API key. Okay. So once we will get the API key, then we can able to do all these features that I'm going to explain now. So the next one is the AI product description generator. So here we will get dynamically the description of every product. We can generate detailed and professional product descriptions automatically instead of writing them manually. So it will save lot of admin time, or we can say the lot of client time will get saved by this feature. Like Apple iPhone 16 Pro, we are going to write the description for Apple iPhone 16 Pro. This is the product. Suppose we are adding this product in the admin panel, then AI will generate a complete product description highlighting its feature and benefits. So See, you are not required to manually type everything about the Apple AI iPhone 16 Pro, or you are not required to copy it from somewhere. You are just going to generate in the admin panel itself. I'm going to show you that how. I'm going to log in into the admin panel with some of the user that we have created earlier. So I'm going to log in with this ID. Okay, after login, we are going to the products section. Now we are going to click on new product. So in this form, you can see this is the description. So here the description of the product will come, and here we are required to manually type the description. But now once we will integrate the AI feature, we will add the generate button here somewhere, at the bottom or at the right side of the test area. Here we once we will click on this generate button, then the content will automatically content will automatically get inserted in this test area, test box. Okay, so that will really help the admin or client to fasten the process of the product addition. Okay, so that AI feature we are going to do. So this one I'm talking about in this second point, AI product description generator. So this kind of feature we are going to integrate. So after that, we are going to integrate the AI SEO meta title generator. So in the same way, we are going to generate the meta title. Okay. So here you can see the SEO setting. So all this meta title, meta keywords, meta description, we will add the generate button with every field. And once we will click on generate button, it will automatically fetch the title, automatically fetch the keywords, automatically fetch the description of our product detail page. Okay, once we will click on the product detail page at the front end, you can see the product details. You can see the description there, and here you can see the description will come up here somewhere. Okay, here it is coming, and here this will automatically get generated, and we can able to see here. And also the title, here you can see the add the title by iPhone 15 online. So this title, the SEO friendly title, will automatically get generated with the help of the AI. Okay, so all these here I have also mentioned here, you can see the AI SEO meta title generator. This one also we are going to generate from AI, and AI SEO meta description generator. So description also, meta description also, we are going to fetch from the AI. And for all these features, we are require API key, and API key we are going to generate from the OpenAI. Okay, so in the same way, AI SEO keyword generator. So like Nike shoes, running shoes, sports shoes. So all these keywords will automatically get generated with the help of this API key or that we are going to generate. Okay. So all these features we are going to integrate in our e-commerce website one by one. So this one is the AI product recommendation engine. So here what will happen, if you will open the product detail page, here it will automatically fetch the other products, other related products, and it is going to show those related products here at the bottom. Right now we have added some query to show the same products, or to show the products of the same category, like the other mobile phones will be shown at the bottom. But after that, what we are going to see, AI will automatically fetch the products, the related products. Okay, so here AI shopping assistant chatbot. So we are also going to build an intelligent chatbot that answers customer questions instantly using natural language. So like which laptop is best for video editing under 80,000. Okay, so we are going to integrate the AI chatbot as well. Okay, at the footer we will integrate some AI chatbot. Okay, here at the footer, and once the user will click on that chatbot, user can able to ask any of the question that the chatbot will reply. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in our Laravel e-commerce website with the help of AI. And of that AI natural language product search, like product search I am talking about, that these result. So right now we need to search for in the earlier e-commerce website, what we going to do, this is iPhone 15, we are going to search for iPhone 15, then the result will come. But now we are going to do the AI natural language product search. So, like if the user will even insert the sentence, show me the best Samsung phone, then it will under 50,000. Then it will show all the phones under 50,000, all the Samsung phone under 50,000. Okay, means it will understand what the user is trying to say. Okay, so this is the kind of the AI feature. AI will understand the request and display relevant products. So this is the big feature, big AI feature that Amazon and Flipkart and many other big brands have already integrated. So that feature we are going to integrate as well. Okay. So AI reviews summarizer. So summarize hundreds of customer reviews into, see, when we will do those reviews section after we will complete those reviews. From those reviews, it will automatically display few of the features according to the reviews. Like it is already happening in Flipkart. If you will search for any mobile or any place like iPhone 17 Pro, now I'm going to show you, like if you will click on this one, and here you can see at the top somewhere according to the reviews. See here it is. You can see according to ratings and reviews. Here you can see it is having the camera rating is 4.8 out of 5, battery is 4.6 out of 5. Like this, it displays the rating for all the important features of the mobile. So how we are getting these ratings? These ratings are from the user. Okay, it automatically fetch the rating from the user reviews. So the same thing we are going to do in our Laravel e-commerce website with the help of AI. This is only possible with the help of AI. So that feature we are going to do. Okay. So AI product Q&A, question and answer assistant, allow customers to ask product related questions and receive intelligent answers instantly. Like customer asks, is this phone waterproof? AI answer based on the product specification and available information. See, the we will add this like question. We can ask any question here. Also, you can see like sometimes we are required to know more information about the product. Then there is one field where we can ask our question as well. I have seen this in Amazon. Definitely, I have seen this in Amazon. I'm going to show you. There is the question field somewhere from where we can add our query. Okay, here you can see look for specific info. Is this phone waterproof? Then it will also show the other user. First, it will show that other user ask such kind of question or not. Yes, the here you can see it automatically AI automatically fetch from all the question and it displays the answer here. Okay, looking for specific info. Okay, so this kind of thing we are going to integrate. Like the user will type the question and the AI will answer according to the reviews, according to the answer of other person. In case the answer not found, then you are going to enter your question. Okay, so this kind of feature we are going to do with the help of AI as well. AI promotional email generator for sending the email to the customer. We are going to take help from the AI personalized coupon suggestion system. So the AI will give suggestion for generating the coupon. So this kind of AI coupon suggestion system we are going to integrate. Okay. So the by the end of this AI series, we will have transformed our Laravel multi-vendor e-commerce website into an intelligent AI powered shopping platform featuring AI generated product content, AI powered SEO optimization, smart product recommendations, intelligent chatbot, natural language search, review summarization, product Q&A assistant, AI generated marketing content, personalized customer offers, and many more practical AI features that are used by modern e-commerce platforms today. Okay, so all these features we are going to do in the next few parts. So I hope that you are going to watch that. Okay, that is totally new thing to see and integrate in your Laravel e-commerce website. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.